like your friend. Big, do you think you went out thinking? I think so. I think I'm going to give a party.
Really? Stand up. Okay, go across, Evelyn. Go across, Evelyn. They did this by themselves. That's amazing. Here's the other one. You ready to go across? You guys are crazy. Reminds me of playing those games on the playground where the rocks or the sand is lava. But try not to touch it. And they built themselves a little bridge. It's cute. Evelyn has to keep fixing it and making it perfect. She could be OCD like me. You broke it! Evelyn? You broke it!
You broke it!
Looks like we're done playing this game. Okay, bye.